Hey everyone. Hey everyone. I wanted to make a video here with another task that would be really helpful to complete. So I know I'm starting to build a repertoire here of ChatGPT prompts, and right now I'm just saving them into Google Docs. We'll see if I decide to put them somewhere else, but this Google Doc is in the shared drive. So if you just go onto Google Drive into shared drives, you should be able to find this document. So I started putting in some prompts here, and the purpose of these prompts is to help generate content, and we need that content to put into Amazon. So if you saw my other video about creating Amazon pages, I used some of these prompts. Okay, so I have a prompt here. This is it just says write this prompt to create human sounding text. And you could read through this, but I'm essentially telling ChatGPT, hey, a human writes like this, and please write like this. so so that's I would probably paste this prompt in at the beginning of your session, and then I have a prompt here that says how to create bullet points, feature points for a product. So on like on like an Amazon page, like let's say this product here. So this product, these are the bullet points. So this is pretty good. Lots of description here. So I have a prompt asking ChatGPT to create that for us. And if you have keywords, you can paste them into the prompt as well. And then my last one here is to create a product description. And so you'd have to just copy this, and then you could just put the title here, and then it'll make something for you. So the reason, so one of the things that is becomes a problem is sometimes when we list against, so we're scanning the things in, we're listing them on pages, but some of those pages aren't made well. Like they're missing information, they don't have a lot of back-end search terms, and you need essentially the pages that we list against. Like it's just one thing to get the product listed into a box and sent to Amazon. It's another thing for someone to find that page and be able to purchase the item. So what we need to do is be able to improve the pages the best we can so that someone is able to find the page. So what you could do is if you just go to Seller Central, sellercentral.amazon.com. So go there, on your browser, and then find this. Should be improve listing quality. It should be at the top. Okay, and then this is a listing quality dashboard. It says identify and fix listing issues affecting discoverability, detail page experience, and customer returns. So that's just what I was talking about. Like, so people need to find the pages, and if the product pages don't have a lot of detail, then people can't find the page, bad customer experience, blah, blah, blah. So it says we have 2,600 products here. We don't need to improve every single page. It's just the pages that so like we've sold these products before. We might not have stock in them anymore. So we're only concerned about improving the pages that we have stock inventory of. So you want to go to we could go to listing status, and we want to do search suppressed. I think you can go here, or you can just do this drop down for search suppressed. So now these are all the pages that we have that are search suppressed. That means that when someone types in a search for Duracell, let's say they search Duracell 03258, this is the title of this product, this page won't come up. So it's suppressed from the search listing. And Amazon does that because they don't want poor quality pages showing up on people's search results. So, but it looks like we don't have any of these to sell, so I don't really care. Or, they're not a big concern for us. So if you do this drop down, so there's this drop down, the listing status, and there's we want to sort, and you go to available. So now we can see these are the products that we have stock in that are not showing up on the search results someone might search for. So just as some background, so essentially what we need to do is we have to provide, they have recommendations. These are the recommendations that Amazon is saying, we need you to provide this information so that the product will appear back on the search results. But what happens is just because we suggest or we put in something like information, it doesn't mean it's always going to go through. It's just how Amazon works. Sometimes they won't publish information, even if it's the correct information, because it's like part of their system to make sure that there isn't a bunch of changes happening to a bunch of web pages. So they try to limit the amount of changes that happen to web pages. So sometimes we'll be able to push our updates online, and then sometimes nothing's going to happen. And I wish it was more defined than that, but I've found the most success if you try to make changes to Office Depot brand stuff, it usually pushes through. Ativa brand is good as well. And I mean, a lot of these are Office Depot brands. So if we just put some time into kind of fill in some of this information, that will help a lot. So it would be helpful if someone could go in here and start making some updates. So there's only 104 SKUs or different products that have this situation. So if someone has time to update these, that would help a lot because it looks like someone sent in 4-way expanding file folders, right? We sent 30 of these things in, and we haven't sold any because no one can find it. so it'd be great if someone could help out this problem. So okay, so what can we do to actually improve this? So if we go to recommendations here, these view all 2 improvements. Okay, so it's asking for, so it looks like no product description was inputted here, and that's asking for a list price. So this is pretty easy if we just copy this, and then we go to our ChatGPT. Let's make a new chat. Okay, so we have a new chat here. Let's go to our prompts. Let's copy this. So this is just when you write, this is like a prompt that says when you write something, sound like a human. So I'm going to paste this in here. And it says, yes, I understand as an AI language model, I am capable of generating text with varying degrees of perplexity and burstiness. I will keep in mind, blah, 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 blah. And then it says, okay, I will do that. Okay, so it understands what we're asking it. So let's go back to our prompts. And what does this Amazon page need? It needs a product description. Okay, so we have a description here, product description prompt. And in this prompt, I say, you are to write as a professional product copywriter. A copywriter is someone who writes product descriptions. Like that's an actual job out in the world. So we're just asking ChatGPT to pretend it is one or to act like one. So I says, write a lengthy 1,500 to 2,000 character product description. Describe the product in detail and be creative in emphasizing uses and benefits of the product. Do not be overly repetitive by repeating the title and the product. I've noticed that the model or the AI can kind of repeat itself over and over again, so that's why I put that in there. And this product detail page listing will be for this product. And if I had more time, I would put in some keywords, but I don't think it's really necessary here. I think right now we just kind of need to get these pages back in the search results because right now they're not doing anything. Okay, so we pasted it here, and then what was the title of this thing again? Copy this. So paste it in where it says product title, just paste it in here. Okay, let's send it. I've noticed it always starts like this. Introducing the office, it says introducing. I want to figure out how to tweak this so it doesn't sound so repetitive. And then I would just kind of read this over, make sure it's not giving any misinformation here. Like, does it actually have an elastic closure? I can't even tell. Mm. I wonder if it just takes the information from here. Okay, I can't easily. Okay, so there's no closure here. So yeah, I would be careful. Don't just trust what this thing is spitting out because it's gonna give you the wrong. If my prompt said be creative and then it's creative, and it makes stuff up, then that's not good. So I would probably just copy this description and then I'm gonna paste it in here. Oh, I can't see anything. Okay, introducing blah 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 blah. Okay, I would say I'll just delete this. It was saying there's an elastic band cover or something. It doesn't have that. Useful for organizing documents. This looks okay. It's eco-friendly. Is made of recycled materials. Is that right? I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna say it's eco-friendly. I'm not gonna talk about recycled materials. Okay, and is an essentials tool for anyone who needs to stay productive, organized. Okay, it's kind of repetitive here. Even though I told it to, I gave that prompt to be bursty and perplexed. Some of these things look a little repetitive, so I recommend if you have ideas to make the prompt better, or you have, test it out, see if we can make it not so repetitive, because I think the reality is no one actually reads these descriptions, and we're just trying to get them online. But it might be good for like the boomers or whatever that do want to look at it. Okay, so I think a price for this, just put, I don't know. What I liked about that is that you can search this in Google. Is that right? I think you can search this in Google and it will show you some prices. But I think we could just match this, 18 bucks and 19 bucks. I think if you Google this product, you can also find prices. Okay, I just want to look at this thing one more or this description one more time because I saw it was saying this is perfect for you and your clients, and I'm like, is that true? Uh, yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's press save and close. So that's all we had to do. I mean, I took a little bit longer on that because I wanted to make sure I wasn't saying something stupid. But I think if you kind of gave it more parameters, um, give the description some more parameters, I think you would be able to complete this faster. Let's do another one. So let's see what's up with this. Office Depot brand translucent front report covers with swing clip clear smoke pack of 3. What does this thing want? It wants keywords too. Okay. Well, let's start off with the description. Okay, let me copy this. Then, where were we? Here we go. Let's copy this, go back in here and paste it. Look at this, it always starts with introducing. How annoying. I gotta figure out how to make it, maybe I'll tell it it's too repetitive and try something else. In the meantime, I think we can go and, I saw it needed keywords, so as just a refresher, you can just go on JungleScout here, go log in. Oh boy. Okay, so we want to go to keywords, keyword scout, I believe. All right, and let's just paste this in. Well, I think so. What we're looking for is translucent front report covers with swing clip. Let's just search this. I bet we should just search even broader, like just report covers. Okay, so we got a whole list here. Maybe we just take the first like couple. I just select the first couple. Oh, here we go. Let's just take everything, whatever. Okay, and we'll add this to a keyword list. What is this again? Report covers. All right, so keyword list. All right, is this thing done? Let me just check this. Oh boy, it's making some claims here. All right. Well, okay, let's just download this thing first. I wish there was a way to just copy and paste this. Okay, so what we just did was we went on JungleScout, searched for a key term or keyword, and then it gave us all these results that are related to, this was our original, this translucent front report covers a sling clip. That was what we typed in, and then it gave us all these results for something that are similar to that search term. So if we just copied all these, can we just go back into, what's this? Close this. If we just copy all these, let's just go back into the ChatGPT. Maybe we say remove duplicates and any brand names in the following list of words. Give me a list of no more than 200 characters of the following words. Maybe this will work. Let's see. I never tried it. Alright, it's already giving me too much. Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, what I just did was I probably should have done this first. So, okay, so I made a list of keywords essentially. These are the this is a keyword list. And then I just want, in Amazon's backend, you can only put in like 200 characters here. So I need to put in a keywords. So the product we're working on, Office Depot brand translucent front report covers, pack of 3. It's asking for product description, a list price. List price you can just make up. It's not, you don't have to do any research for this. And then it's asking for keywords. So probably the right way I should have done this, or that we should be doing this, is get the keywords first. So you can only put like 200 characters in here at a time, or it won't let you go more than that. list price, I don't know, pay 15 bucks for this. And then product description. So in my original prompts, I say write a write a product description and then choose from the following keywords, and then you put your keywords in here. So let me try this over again. So if I copy this, ChatGPT, paste it in here, and then I want to grab the title that I used last time because we need to make a good description, and then let's copy all of, or we just go back to Excel, just copy all these words, and then paste them here. Let's see what we get. Will this thing be smart? It still says the same thing. Introducing. I don't know. It makes this claim of 30 sheets of paper, and I don't know if that's actually true. I wonder if I should go check it out. Oh, it actually does. It's right. So I just saw this. So each report holds up to 30 letter size pages. Very good. This looks pretty good. I'm just skimming over this. Oh boy, it's making that recycled materials claim again. Dude, I think anytime it says something about recycled materials, I'm going to take that off. Okay. Let's just copy this whole thing. And we're going back to Amazon, and we're just going to paste this in here. Just going to delete this whole thing. Delete that eco-friendly line. So I've only done a couple, or I've done several product descriptions now, and I'm noticing that these descriptions are becoming kind of repetitive across multiple products. Like they always use durable and versatile. So I wonder if I tweak the description prompt so it's not so repetitive. Anyways, I'm just looking at this. This looks pretty good. So we filled in all the information, put the list price, put the keywords, and let's press save and close. So now what's going to happen? So it says changes saved. It takes up to 48 hours to update for listing to update. So now when we refresh this page, the two products that we just worked on should no longer be here. You have to go back to search suppressed, to available. Okay, so yeah, so they're no longer on this list, that expanding file and that report cover. So we want to do that because ideally what's going to happen is that information that we just input is going to get pushed onto the web page, and then the product web page gets updated, and then people are able to find the product. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.